Most hummingbirds depend on a single energy source: nectar. They have incredibly fast metabolisms, so need to refuel around every 10 minutes. There are so many flowers in this cloud forest that each hummingbird needs only 1/4 of an acre to survive. Isolated in the steep valleys, they evolved into hundreds of different species. Some, like the marvelous spatule-tail, only live in one remote valley in Peru. A female has turned up to judge a show. The males are exceptional. They have just 4 tail feathers, which they manipulate to dramatic effect. These two are competing to impress the female. They begin by elaborately wafting their tail feathers. But this is only the start. Soon, the real dance-off begins. The question is, has either of them done enough to win the female's affections? Sadly, not this time.